we couldn't go on the motorcycle adventure as we thought we could because the bike was really screwed up. The brakes were really stuck up. It took the guy like 3 hours or 4 hours to fix them. It was terrible. And he charged me like $7 or $8. So that was a good deal. My bike is just filthy, so I had it washed. So let's go check it out. The guy is washing it for $2. And he's working on it really hard. So let's go check it out. To wash that bike, and we have everything ready to go on a motorcycle adventure, but today we have to work on the bike so we can go on it next time.